Right, once your macaroons are out of the oven, you need to move them straight onto a cooling rack. And then we can, if we want to, drizzle them with melted chocolate. You don't have to do this, but sometimes it's fun. So, are you ready? Do you remember how to drizzle? Yeah, if I put some of these over this side, and you can drizzle over that side. Remember? Yeah, to drizzle, we're just going to do this. Over the top, and we let it drizzle like that. Can you do it over there? Yeah? I'll tell you what else is fun. I'll show you. You drizzle, and I'm going to do this bit. If we turn our macaroon upside down, we can put chocolate on the bottom of it. How about that?
It's quite cool.
Yeah. And then we put it back upside down so that the chocolate. Doing it? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get some on there and just drizzle like that. Yeah? Yeah, that's great. Do another one. We hope you enjoy making coconut macaroons as much as we did, and we hope you enjoy decorating them as well. Here is the recipe for coconut macaroons.